I'm here with Amy Callner, and you just did a demo on a printmaking technique that I can't pronounce.
Mokulito. I'm a lithographer, and Mokulito is lithography done on a piece of wood.
Which is weird, by the way.
Traditionally, lithography is done on stone. It's done on a piece of limestone, and the entire process is based on the idea that oil and water don't mix. The image is made with something greasy on the stone. The stone is then chemically processed so that the ink, which is oil-based, only sticks to the image area and doesn't stick to the non-image area. Mokulito is essentially doing the same thing except on a piece of wood. It's very gestural, it can be very painterly. What it isn't is particularly stable, so what you're making is essentially monoprints. They're very beautiful, and it's a great and accessible way to both practice and demonstrate the principles of lithography when you may not have access to a stone library or a lithopress.
How
did I find out about Mokulito? That is a really good question.
It sounds like a cocktail.
It does sound like a cocktail. A lot of my printmaker friends were like, "Oh, have you tried Mokulito?" And I said, "What's Mokulito? Is that a beverage?" And no, it turns out it's this technique that this xoxo guy invented in the 70s in Japan, and that lots of people have tried and have had various levels of success pulling off.
That's just printmaking.
Yeah, that's just we just call that Tuesday.
Yes.
Some people were talking about it, and I finally was like, I got some leftover wood, let me try this.
I love that. That attitude that you don't need anything to be perfect and you just go in like a cave woman.
Yeah.